you receive a ball rack. So it's pretty much 4 panels, the one left side, one right side. So you put left side on the floor, you put the pipes first, all pipes goes into the pre-drilled holes, and then there's a tricky part, how you tight it with these rods. This rods goes inside the pipe, and the trick is you just put this knot, special knot, sleeve knot, just 2 or 3 turns, and then you put inside the hole, extend to the top. Now the top, I put that knot in the top first, and then lift it up a little bit and look in between there. I can see that rod, and I can match that knot to that rod. And then just make sure the pipe goes inside the hole, and you screw this with provided wrenches from both sides as tight as possible. Do the same with the other side, and then you put the screws on the back into pre-drilled holes. You put the screws over here, tightening back plate to the side left and right. That's it. That's your ball rack from Handyct.